ei, ma läksin, ma just mõtlesin. Man.
Kes välja läks? 20 läks välja. Kes söötis sinna?
Mina läks.
Kes enne? Lateral once around.
Tallinna Kalev. Loen ette koosseisud: Agustin Raad Medic, number 19 Siim Luts, number 33 Van Möö.
Siin on ükski palli.
Tagasi see, me ei pea minema kohe, see on väga raske, et need sooritada. Me mängime lihtsalt nende 6 venda üle ja nüüd sa siis tõused palliga, lihtne sööt äärde, jälle 2-1.
one against one all over the place because we are Patrick Robbie. Okay, Gerdo, go now, provoke him to step out. High press, and when they are going back, Melo, don't step out. We conceded second goal because we are spending too much energy to score and then we are allowing them too easily to score. It should be 2-0 for us in the halftime, not 2-2, 2-0. Don't allow them, they didn't deserve anything.
Ootri, kas mul peab ka vist olema? Ja pall siit! Edasi mehed, edasi! Siim Luts, skoor sinu selja taga ütleb 2-5 Paide võit. Räägi, mis siin murul toimus? Kas see mängupilt oli tõesti nii ühekülgne, nagu hetkel tabloo näitab?
Kindlasti mitte, et väga keeruline. Läksime küll mängu kiirelt juhtima, aga ei suutnud nagu peale seda väravat hästi häälestada ja Kalev tuli mängu tagasi ja lõi hoopis meile 2 väravat, et jah, väga keeruline, üritasime enda plaani ellu viia, mingitel olukordades jäime lihtsalt, ma arvan, individuaalselt hätta, aga lõppkokkuvõttes 5 väravat ja tulime rongi alt välja, et ma arvan, et võib meeskonda kiita küll.
Sellest 5 löödud väravast 4 on ühte või teistpidi sinuga seotud. 2 tükki panid ise võrku, 2 tegid eeltöö. Mis sa eile õhtul sõid või mis sa täna hommikul sõid selleks, et nii resultatiivselt täna murule tulla?
Ei midagi erilist, et eks samamoodi valmistun nagu ikka, et võib-olla EM algas ja sealt tuli võib-olla see lisatuh, et eile õhtul näiteks olin üksi lastega, et võib-olla lapsed andsid selle energia, et jah, et 2+2 endale ei jäänudki meelde, et mängu lõpus Markus Jürgenson siin ütles, et veits täbaras olukorras, aga ma arvan, et need mehed, kes täna väljakul olid, näitasid sisu ja et võime mängida küll.
Super, palju õnne ja siit paneme edasi.
Tänud!
Head coach, we are through of a very difficult period. Put it into your own words. The screen there shows 2-5 for us. What happened today? How can we go with the same tempo ahead?
We believed. I think this is the most important thing. But the crucial thing, you believed, he believed. You remember what you said to me after the game? I was so down. You told me, don't worry, we're gonna come back. And maybe you don't realize, but when I went home and then Gert called me, Veiko called me, and your words also, you gave me so much energy, I couldn't just go down then. I felt some kind of responsibility. Also, players keep believing. I think they understand what we're doing here. I think they understand what we try to build up here. And I think today we showed that 5 goals scored. I think it's the best answer that we can get after the tough period. No Estonian team in 1 month played 2 times against Levadia, Flora, 2 times against Kalju. This was so difficult period for us. Some games we won, some games we lost. This is football, and we need to use this. We have this plus 3 more games before the Euro games. It's really important that we retreat this confidence, and I think this is a very first good step. And then to I think we have a lot to show in this conference in these Euro games. The crucial thing is that, like I told them, believe that you are good because you are good. This is not irrational confidence. This is logical confidence because you are good. If we here inside continue to believe that, I think for us sky is the limit. We can do so many big things.
That's it. Congrats. Until next time.
Thank you. I want to, first of all, I want to say thank you. This was not easy period for me, for everybody. I want to say thank you to the club. It was really difficult period. We lost 4 games in a row, and I got the biggest support I had in my career. So big thanks for that, because that gave me motivation for to continue working in the same energy with the same passion that I did, and I always wanted to try to give my everything to get this back. So thank you for that, Gert and Veiko. I wanted to share this with you. And then, guys, of course, big thanks to you, because after 4 defeats in a row, you keep believing in what we are doing. You stayed committed to the idea. And this is unbelievable thing that I really appreciate from you. I told you before the game, we'll be fine. I told you in the halftime, we're gonna fucking win this game because we are a better team. Congratulations, let's go Tuesday, come on, come on, come on!
I just want to say that if we keep the simple stuff, we are good. Come on, guys. Yes, and on Tuesday, next important game, let's not go somewhere there again. Think what you are doing, watch the Euros, rest, and recover well. Yes. I